House Speaker Faustino D. III is bullish over Congress's batting average and moving priority bills identified by the Legislative Development Action Council closer to ratification as the second session of the 20th Congress kicks in Monday next week. Even more, the House Speaker is rosy over the prospects of the Senate getting in step with the pace of passing such bills despite the ongoing impeachment trial. Our Maribel Custodio hashes over the details.
House Speaker Faustino Boji D. III highlighted the progress of the Legislative Executive Development Advisory Council or LEDAC priority measures during the first regular session of the 20th Congress. According to the Speaker, Congress has already passed 26 of the 52 LEDAC priority bills, including the Right to Information Act, the Anti-Political Dynasty Act, reform to the Bank Deposit Secrecy Law, and the law rescheduling the BARM parliamentary elections. He said many of the remaining priority bills are already in the advanced stages of the legislative process, as he called on the Senate to help ensure the passage before the end of the year.
Marami pa sa natitirang priority bills ay nasa advanced stage na po ng ating legislative process. Halimbawa, ang Cyber Security Act na nakatakda na para sa second reading habang may walo pang panukala ring naghihintay na lamang sa aksyon ng Committee on Appropriations o Committee on Ways and Means. Kaya inihiling po sana natin sa ating mga counterparts sa Senado na tulungan tayong maisabatas na ang iba pang mga bills bago matapos ang taon.
The Speaker added that timely feedback and the submission of the executive versions of the measures are important to speed up the legislative process and ensure the entire government moves in the same direction.
Ang aming pong layunin ay makapagpasa ng mga batas na may tunay na pakinabang at mararamdaman ng bawat Pilipino.
Meanwhile, Speaker Boji D. expressed confidence that the Senate can fulfill its constitutional duty as an impeachment court while continuing its legislative responsibilities to pass the administration's priority measures.
Handa po ang Kongresos na makipagtulungan sa Senado sa pamumuno ni Senate President Sherwin Gatchalian na pagtibayin at pagandahin pa ang mga natitirang panukala through the bicameral conference committees at technical working groups na nang sa gayon ay makagawa tayo ng mga batas na napapanahon at tutugon sa pangangailangan ng ating mga kababayan.
He emphasized that the shared goal of both chambers is to pass legislations that address the needs of the Filipino people. Vel Custodio for The Nation.